Hello, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Welcome to our word of the day. This week, we are going to be doing the word family add. So all of our words are going to end with add. But before we get started, let's make sure you have your paper, a pencil, or something to write with. Your name should be on the top, and then we're going to write today's date. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. So when we write that, remember April is number 4-27-20. So getting your name and date on the paper, and then your word today is the word mad. Write the word mad. Okay, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Remember, this word you're going to have written on your paper 2 times. The first time you do it by yourself, and then the second time when we write it with me. So let's stretch it out. Ready? Mad. Mad. Say it fast. Mad. Let's count how many sounds. Ready? Mad. How many? 3 sounds. Good. What's the first sound in the word mad? Like Mario and Madeline. Miguel. Good. We've got lots of them. Milani. Okay, here we go. Next sound. Good. Like Addie. Here we go. One more. Mad. D. Remember, when we write letter D, we have to put our diaper on, so we start with magic C, big line up, and back down. Good, writing the word mad. Okay, now we need to think of some rhyming words. Remember, if it rhymes with mad, it's gonna end with our AD, our add. So what comes to mind, I hear like mad dad, mad sad, mad bad, mad cat, mad jad. Is that a real word though? I want you to try and write a real word that rhymes with mad. Today I'm gonna write the word sad. Remember, you don't have to copy my rhyming word. It could be whatever you want. Okay, my friends, we are gonna do our sentence now. I'm gonna say the sentence, then you're gonna say it with me and try and count how many words. Ready? Are you mad at me? Say it with me. Ready? Are you mad at me? Okay, counting how many words are we gonna write today? Let's do it together. Ready? Are you mad at me? How many words today? 5. Good. And I hear a lot of sight words, so you should be writing this at the same time as me. Okay, our first word is the word are. Good. And this is one of our sight words. This is a word you should know how to write. Remember though, when we start our sentence, what kind of letter do we need to write first? Lowercase or capital? Good. So I'm going to start with capital. Oh wait, how do we spell R? A-R-E. So I start with capital A. A-R-E. R, spaceman. What's next? U. Good. How do I write U? Y-O-U. I hope you're still practicing all of your sight words. Let's read it and think of our next word. Are you mad? That's your word today. Write your word mad. Make sure you have your spaceman. Okay, I've run out of space here, so I'm gonna drop to my next line. Let's read it and think of our next word. Are you mad at? At's another sight word. How do we write it? A-T, good. Let's read it. Are you mad at me? How do we write me? M-E, good. Making sure you write me correctly. Let's read it. Are you mad at me? What do I need at the end of a sentence? I hear some of you saying periods. Is this a sentence though, or a question? I know I kind of tricked you on a Monday, huh? It's a question, so we don't do a period, we do a question mark. Good, remember, backwards C, little line down. Let's read it one more time. Are you mad at me? Nice job, boys and girls, making sure you read it to at least one person in your family, and I will see you for tomorrow's word. Bye.